guys, so I'm going to do a room tour. We are staying at SLS Baha room 1429. So let's check it out. Okay, first we have the bathroom. Well, one of the bathroom. Here's the shower. Have the toilet, mirror. Come in, you have the living room area. It's really nice and bright. Then this is the kitchen area. You have a table. This mirror is to die for. I need one of these. That's the kitchen. Now to the bedroom. It's really spacious. Excuse our mess. We changed clothes when we first got here to go get something to eat. So we have things we can choose from to drink. And we also have an area on this side with different alcohol beverages choices. This is the main bathroom. You have a little closet space. I have some clothes hanging up already. Another little mirror. I use this mirror to do my makeup. Then the shower. I love this one. Little colored glass shower. Another toilet. And another mirror. They have all the goodies for you just in case you left something at home. So for the lights, they all have this button. You have high, medium, low, or off for the lights. Oh, I have to show y'all the best part, which is the view. We have a pool slash ocean view. It's beautiful. Like, I would literally pack my clothes and move here. It's so beautiful. It's a little windy right now, so we haven't been able to like enjoy the pool area. So hopefully tomorrow we get a chance to do that. Oh, also the rooms come with a little tablet where you can order things, and it has like the casino, the spa activities, the shops, in-room dining. Also it has like a list of all the restaurants and bars on the resort, so you can look through that. And that's pretty much it. I will do a tour of the overall resort tomorrow, so can't wait for you guys to see that.